Blows by his man with that move. They deflect the shot. Sends it to the defenseman. Goal! And it's 1-0 here in the first period. The fans are happy now.
He banged in the shot off the crossbar by the goaltender.
That sound is a scary sound when you're a goaltender.
No doubt about that, Bob.
And rightfully so. He went top shelf and hit the cookie bin on that one. They're in position to start up the action. Great deke to create that space. 2-on-2, here we go. He centers he scores! And they go ahead here, 2 goals in the first period.
At first, I thought he was going to shoot the puck, and then he decided to pass it and got himself an assist on the play.
He made a beautiful feed that time, Harry. Unbelievable offensive awareness, especially down there in the middle, being able to get the puck over to an open shooter.
You sometimes only have a split second to make a decision like that, and he made the most of it.
They're ready in that big circle. And a lot of times fans are just tentative at this point, but not tonight. He scores! Jams it into the net, and they jump out on top here. 1-0 in the first period.
He gets the great feed out in front, and I have to tell you, Bob, this was a jolly good assist.
It was. He hit the seam. They had just enough room to operate, and he was able to drill it right in.
That's great puck movement, and Bob, I think my favorite part was when the puck moved to the back of the net.
And yes, mine too. Another face-off about to commence here shortly. There are no do-overs in the NHL. Over to Spezza from Heatley. It's sent back. He scores! And it's starting early here tonight. That goal gives his team a 2-goal lead.
It looked like it deflected in off the right pad there. Let's take another look at this goal, Bob.
Yeah, Harry, it sure did. He couldn't get enough out there to stop it.
You've got to feel bad for the goalie, but it's part of the game, they'll tell you.
And we're ready for the face-off. And Buffalo was able to get it back. Up the left side. Oh, and a chance for Buffalo now. He scores! And they go ahead here. 2 goals in the first period.
Bobby was right there in front of the goal, and you've only got a second when you're there to get that shot away.
And only a second he needed, Harry. Great positioning to pick out a spot, although with one-timers, there isn't a lot of picking out to do.
Nope, you really just have to fire. I've heard a lot of great shooters say, you know, when I shoot the one-timer, I either go high or low, and that's about it.
Not a bad methodology. Whatever he used on this one, it worked. And we've got the face-off coming up.